Welcome to Beginner English Practice. Today, we will learn simple English to make friends in a new class. This lesson is easy. Listen carefully. You are new to the class. You feel shy. You feel nervous. This is normal. Many people feel the same. Take a deep breath. Relax. The first step is to say hello. You can say hello. You can also say hi. These words are friendly. Now you want to know the name. You can say, "What is your name?" Listen again. What is your name? Now say your name. My name is. You can be polite. You can say, "Nice to meet you." The other person may say, "Nice to meet you too." You can ask simple questions. Which class are you in? Do you like this class? Is this your first day? Very good. You can be friendly. You can say, "Can I sit with you? Can we be friends?" A smile helps. Now let us practice. Hello. What is your name? My name is.